Hello, my name is Terengineer, and welcome back to Let's Say. And now is COD Warzone is now available for the Modern Warfare. And so now Warzone is free to play. So here downstairs and buy for the Call of Duty's $3. Oh, there's Optics Gaming. Those angels here and Farley. What is this? There's a skin here, and so I just buy it for the Bell Pass point here. So here's the PC for the GeForce, not GTX 970 and the GeForce GTX 160, and the Radeon R9 690, RX 580, DirectX 12. And the CPU is in the Intel Core 5 2500K and the AMD Ryzen R5 1600X. The RAM need 12 gigabytes. So here hard drive need 175 gigabytes. Implement your code. So suppose language is here. So server is being difficulty. So I choose buying for the Bell Pass. So I building for the 4K gaming PC. Can be played with this game. The Warzone is a free to play, and I just created a following. So here, so need a better for here. Just be not different for the this. Okay, I'm building for the 4K gaming PC, and so I can play with Call of Duty, Modern Warfare, and Warzone. But first, play with the CGs for play with the Modern Warfare, then play with multiplayer and Warzone. Okay, so then thanks for watching one. Hope you enjoyed guys this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment. But now I will see you in the next videos. Bye bye.